You've come so far. Hello, and welcome today. I've got the FabFitFun box, and I've got the fucking packaging. Now, you may be wondering how Australian has FabFitFun. Well, there's a wonderful thing called mail forwarding, which is where you pay an absolute fortune to get something forwarded to you. And I selected the box that said I got original packaging, which I'm pretty sure added quite a bit to the amount that I paid to post this. So this, in general, compared to all the videos about FabFitFun, is extremely late because I only just got this like yesterday. And yeah, so let me start off by breaking down how much this cost me, and then I'll take you through all the stuff that I got and if I think it's worth it. Also, this video will likely be interrupted because my car is getting serviced and the courtesy bus is going to pick me up soon, but I needed to get this started. So they say that this box is worth $300 USD. That is $423 Australian. It cost me $53.50 USD. And it cost, so $70 Australian for the box in general. To get it sent over, I also bought some stuff from Mac US that I wanted and the stuff I can't get in Australia. But I will put that in another haul because this is just about the FabFitFun. And I don't believe it was enough to, it's like a lipstick and a bronzer. It couldn't have added to the thing. So the shipping, including GST, because my US are charging for GST at their website instead of letting customs take it, which is what a lot of companies are doing now. So shipping was $84 USD, which cost me $123 Australian. I spent $193 to get this box. That's just too much. I'm pretty sure I'm going to cancel it after this, but realistically, I think I paid a lot just to get the stupid box, so that I could have a thumbnail. Like, how stupid is that? So I might as well just go. So currently, for low import stuff to Australia, the government is now charging 10% GST. But that is legally only for products that are registered in Australia for GST and that are earning more than, I think it's like $70,000 a year through products sold. So a lot of companies don't sell a lot in Australia. So FabFitFun, I'm probably the only person in Australia who gets this sent to them. So it was frustrating to pay GST on it, and there was no way around it on the My US website. I tried ticking things and stuff. So I think I saw Angelica Nyquist uses US to go, or go to buy US. So I might transfer over to them if I want to get stuff in the future, or I think I'm just going to take a break from US shipping for a while after this. But it is a nice box. So I've already cracked it open. Just because it's painful to unpackage stuff. Absolutely painful to unpackage all of this stuff for you on camera, and it just takes so long. I do love this box. I think it was an expensive box in my life, so it's probably going to stay around. So starting up on the top, I've got an umbrella. And, oh yeah, I did work out what all the pricing of everything was. So some stuff on FabFitFun, like, you can't really buy it anyway. So the umbrella, they say that it's worth $40 USD. On Poshmark, they're selling for 20 bucks USD, and that's $56 Australian. Like, never in my life would I buy an umbrella for that price. It's okay, I'll probably use it. Yeah. I got some tea towels. I don't even know why they included this. So I originally got onto FabFitFun because they had the Pruelaroo in their last box, and it was worth it then because the Pruelaroo in Australia was $100. And then I got all these other cool products, and I do love a lot of what I got in that box. Tea towels, like, yay. They said that they're worth $14 USD, which is $20 Australian, and like, yeah, I believe them. I mean, the tea towels. Alright, no worries, I'll see you then. Alright, thanks. Bye. Alright, I've got about 10 minutes. So let's just go through some other things. So I got a beauty blender. the skin colored, which is kind of fun. And this goes for $20 US, and it's $30 in Sephora in Australia. That's like a win. I got the coffee press, and this goes for $13, which is $18 in Australia. I mean, a coffee press is useful. I actually don't currently own one, but this actually isn't the one that I saw the picture of. And I mean, like, it's cute, but like it's just a it's a cheap. Oh wow, it's already broken. Like, I do not have time for that right now. So coffee press, like, that's just a waste of space, and I probably, if I had a choice, would have just been like, no, you guys keep that, I don't want to pay postage. We've also got, so I didn't actually realize, but you can actually buy these at Mecca, the Glam Glow bubble masks, and they go for $13 at Mecca, so this would mean $26. Apparently they go for 18 USD. I've been fun, like fun, that's all I have to say. I've got some cream from Grown Alchemist. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it sealed because I think I might get rid of it. But it is the Hydra Repair Day Cream. There's no SPF in it. I'm just not that bothered about day creams that don't have SPF in it. But this goes for $49 USD. And yeah, that translates to about $80 USD. Mecca sell this for $75. I also got this like detox bath thing, and so I live in an apartment. I don't have a bath, so I think I'll give this maybe to one of my personal trainer, I think, because I think she'll really like it. It seems like fun, and if I had a bath I would definitely use this, but they say this goes for $40 USD, which is $56 Australian. Never in my life would I pay that for this, ever. I got this blue Capri stuff, and this smells really nice. It's like it's like a very heavily scented body wash, which I'm okay with. And this goes for $22 USD, which is $45 Australian. And it, like, I couldn't find it on Australian websites anywhere, so I can feel special when I use it. I somehow got this. This wasn't even on the package. It's just like a bar. Apparently it's nice. It goes for $2 USD and is not sold in Australia. I luckily, oh yeah, funnily enough, I got some crown brushes. So they have said that the crown brushes go for $75 USD, which is $100 Australian. And they do have this set. I already taken them out of their packaging. It's quite nice. They do have this set on their Crown website for that price. But like the other brush sets are like $12. So definitely they've upped the price to be like, oh, you've got this amount in the box. But they seem nice. I'm not mad at it. And what else did I get? Detox Blue Crown brushes. Oh, that's all I got. So overall, there's not really any product in here that I'm super stoked to have received. And I think I'll definitely cancel FabFitFun. It's not worth the amount of money that I spent getting this at all. Yeah, I have nothing. Yeah. I mean, I'm happy with the crown brushes. Well, that's like $100 Australian. And I'm happy with the Capri thing. And that was supposedly like $45, $150. So and the Glam Go mask, I'm okay with that. That's $26. So $150 if I cut even. No, so didn't even cut even on the products I have. But I mean, now I've got some gifts to give away. I'll keep the tea towels because they're always handy. But yeah, I'm not going through this again. But I would absolutely love to know, if you do US forward shipping, what service do you use? Do you like them? Are they good? Please give me recommendations. I do like the FabFitFun. I think it's great. It definitely, if I was getting free shipping and I lived in the US, I 100% would get the FabFitFun box all the time because it's fun. Like, it's got stupid shit in it. And if I'd only spent $70 Australian, this 100% would have been worth it. So it's just one of those things. You live and you learn. Oh, the beauty blender. Oh no, I cut even. Alright, cool. That's a win. I think I'll have a look and see what's in the next box before I officially decide to cancel it. That's better. Anyway, thank you. I hope you enjoyed my little mini haul. I'll be back for another haul later. I've got to go wait out front of my house for the bus. Alright. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you stick around.